Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is September 10th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over the minor levels for you guys, and then I'll go over gold and also oil for you guys as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, do got a couple levels. I got a main level sitting up for resistance somewhere around 45.2850. It's going to be one of my main areas of resistance. Above that area, actually, I think this above that area, next level for me is 45.48 as resistance. I do got a little bit of an in-between area right here, which I don't know if we're going to stall at, but we'll see. 45.11 even is one of the levels as well. And then below that, support for me is going to be 44.8525 as an area as well. So we'll see what happens there. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels that she has, and then I'll go over gold and also oil for you guys as well.
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. We have a lot of climbing to do, or at least these bulls do, to get up to the last high, which was several days ago. And the bulls are trying to do it. It held the support, the lowest support down there at 86.50. I typed on my chart for a possible short area around the 1250 and woke up to it being at that level. Now, why do I have that as a possible short? Because it was a swap zone. It was support that turned resistance and now possible resistance. We'll see how it plays out. But this is the beauty of the micro peaks and how they work out. Because if you start way down there at support at the 86, 87 area, this is where the micro peaks help you to climb up to that level, because the first one is at 96, 97. It was an area of resistance. It went above it just a little bit and then came back down and produced that gorgeous wicked candle there for the bounce up. So that was peak number one. And peak number two is 0250. It went above it and then consolidated around that level, but finally it used it as support for the push up to 1250. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens here at the 1250 area. But the third peak, if the market's going to continue its move up, is around the 0675. Used it slightly as a bounce all the way up to the 1250 area, but didn't come back down and use it as support. So that level is marked, but I'm keeping my eye on 1250 very closely because I want to see if it uses it to dump down further. So those are all the levels I have for now, darling, and I'm going to pass it back to you for oil and gold.
Awesome. All right. So looking at gold here, we do got support coming in 1793.9. Nice area of support there. Want to see if we can get it back up to those 1803.9s as resistance. If we push any lower, next level of support down below is 1782.3. So we'll see what happens. But right now, nice bounce off the support. We'll see if we can get back up into resistance on gold. For crude oil, moving over here, main level of resistance going to be somewhere around 69.81 to about 82. That's going to be our area of resistance. Above that, 70.58. Mid area for me, 68.82, and then below that support is going to be somewhere around 67.76 to 67.72. So we'll see if the market can actually pull us back down into those support areas. But right now, this is going to be a good area to look out for a short. So we'll see what happens. If not, they'll just break through and we'll let it go up to 70.58 and look for a short there. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.